Subscribe to the Helpful Techniques and press the bell icon for more updates. Hello everyone, my name is Piravrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So guys, I am again back with a new job opportunity. This time State Bank of India, that means SBI is hiring for the role of Circle Based Officers CBO. So total number of vacancies are 3850. So before discussing further, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. So before discussing the age limit and the criteria, first discuss the last date to apply. So last date to apply is 16th August 2020. That means only 7 to 8 days are left to apply for this role. So before discussing the age limit, let's discuss the total number of vacancies according to their category and the location. So here you can check for EUR, that means unreserved category, total number of vacancies are 1575. For EWS, that means economically weaker section, so total number of vacancies are 383. For OBC 1035, that means they have huge amount of requirement for OBC category. For AC 573, for ST 285, totally 3850. For vacancy according to the circle or the city, for Ahmedabad Gujarat 750, for Bangalore Karnataka 750, for Bhopal 296, for Chennai you can see 550 and so on. So I would request you to apply for the role according to your requirement and the total number of vacancies for the city. So I would request you, or I would suggest you to apply for the role where the total number of vacancy or the posts are much. So you would get a preference at the first level. So now let's discuss the age limit. So here you can check the age limit. Your age must not be above 30 years on 1st August 2020. That means you must have born earlier on 2nd August 1990. If your date of birth is before 1990 on 2nd August, then you are not eligible for this role. So let's discuss the age relaxation. For SC/ST it is 5 years, for OBC it is 3 years, for PWBD it is 10 years, and for OBC here you can check all the details. So let's discuss the application fee. For general or the OBC or the EWS, it is totally you have to pay 750, and for SC/ST or the PH it is 0. So you can pay online through the credit card, debit card, or the net banking, or you can pay offline. So as we are applying for this role online, so I would request you to apply for this role and the pay online, because if you pay offline you might face problem, because only 7 to 8 days are left to apply for this role. So I would request you to apply online and pay online as well. So let's discuss the salary structure. So pay scale, here you can check 23,700 to 98, that means it can vary. So pay scale, normally I don't have that much of idea about the pay scale. You can check online. Normally you will be getting 23,700 to maximum. Here you can check 42,020. So according to your skills, I think according to their experience you will be getting the salary. So better you will check online regarding the pay scale, because I don't have that much of idea about these digits. So I would request you to apply and check online. So let's discuss how to apply. So here I'll be providing the link online in the description of this video, so that you can go online and apply for this role as soon as possible. So you have to click continue as I did earlier. So here you can see, first you have to fill up the basic info. After that, detailed qualification uploads, that means you need to upload the required details documents, and then press the preview, and at the last you have to do the payment, online payment. So I would request you to pay online, so that you not face any difficulties whenever while you are applying for this role, because only 7 to 8 days are left to apply for this role. So first you have to give your first name, then confirm first name, then middle name is not required, confirm middle name is not required, then you have to write the last name. Here you can see the asterisk mark, that means it is mandatory. Whatever is not mandatory you need not to fill up. So full name you need to enter. For mother's full name, mobile number you need to enter, inform mobile name, email address, confirm email address, security code. You need to write this one, the captcha. You need to fill up the captcha, and then you have to click on the register. After getting after doing the registration, you will receive a confirmation mail on your email address. You need to confirm. You need to just click on the link, and your account will be activated, and then you have to fill up the all the details. That means basic details, your address, your qualification. Then upload. You need to upload the documents, that means Aadhaar card and all the certificate details. That means you need to prove that you are eligible for this role and preview. That means after doing all these details, after filling the all these details, you need to preview, and then the last option is payment. After doing the payment, your application will be successfully filled. So they will receive the application. So here they have not mentioned the exam date. So you'll be receiving the admit card according to the schedule. So they will notify you through your email ID and through the phone number. So I hope you get a clear view about how to apply for this role. So if you are facing any difficulties, then please let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to resolve as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. All the best for your career.